with Valentine's Day right around the corner.
Valentine Day!
We are gonna show you how we make our chocolate covered strawberries that are perfect for you to impress your lover or your gal pal or your pet dog, because dogs can eat strawberries, although you should check with your vet. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. We're gonna show you what you need.
First, I wash my strawberries in about 90% water, 10% vinegar, and I just let them take a little bath. Then I rinse them out under cold water. These are the ingredients you need: freshly washed strawberries, sweethearts in a food processor, and that's how I got this, melted chocolate, darker milk, and some chopped up walnuts. Food processor as well. Quick tip, this is how I melt down my chocolate.
First, we are going to dip it in. Give it a good dip. I'll help you out with that. Ooh. Want to get the perfect chocolate covered strawberry? You gotta...
Eat it.
You have to what?
Eat it.
Well, you can eat it after, but you can lay it upside down like that. So this way it dries perfectly, so all around perfect.
Mine.
You want to dip yours? Ooh, I got chocolate on my fingers.
Dip, 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 dip. I need other things I dip. No.
Mommy's gonna help you put it upside down, okay?
Upside down.
Good. First roll, separate all of the leaves.
You can do the either.
Just brush them up. They're kind of like hair. Pretend it's hair.
I did it.
You did it?
Yeah, look. Look like so.
Whoa.
Drippy.
Drippy, drippy. Oh, we're a chocolate mess. Don't get too dirty. If you have your crushed up walnuts and you're not allergic, you can dip that in after you coat it in dark chocolate. And it is just gonna make, ooh, I'm spilling it. Whoopsies. Just gonna make a pretty little nut covered
I'm doing mine.
chocolate strawberry.
Hey, I have a chocolate.
Okay, wait, don't touch your clothes, okay? That's the number one rule.
I have one chocolate.
When chocolate gets under your nails, it looks gross. Okay.
I have one here too.
All right. Ooh, we are lucky we're the only ones eating this. That's okay.
Go sneeze a lot.
Girls sneeze sometimes. I do another nut one.
That's nuts on mine. Oh, these are so coffee. Oh, then.
This one I'm dipping into the sweethearts. Ooh. Oh, I guess this one's just not gonna have a stem. Oopsie daisies. I think that one would look really cool with the white chocolate.
You're right, sorry. Got that.
Thank you. Woo! He's taking a bath.
Wow.
He is taking a bath in the chocolate. Could you imagine taking a chocolate bath?
No.
You can't?
No.
Not even if you tried really hard?
No.
Well,
Wobbly, wobbly.
guess that's only one of us then.
Wow, we're doing good, Mom.
We're doing super good. We're going so fast. No wipe it on your clothes.
I need a wipey.
Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it, Lois. Girl, I just told you not to do that.
There's no chocolate on it.
Are you sure?
No, there's no chocolate.
Are you positive?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
I'm just going to do this strawberry because that's my favorite one.
Ooh, they look so nice.
Oh,
is what happens when you put in the work. Stay put.
Okay, I am.
You are? Okay. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get the white chocolate.
Over here.
Strawberries, okay?
Yeah, some. What you said?
I said don't touch the strawberries.
I'm not, Mom. I'm not touching anything.
You're what?
I'm not touching anything. I'm listening to da-da-da-da-da.
You're a nutty professor. And where are you? Cheeky? What are you doing? The sweethearts are for the strawberries.
Oh, sorry.
Watermelon sugar. Seriously, look at our strawberries. They are beautiful. You're beautiful, it's true.
They're really different.
They're all different. We melted down some white chocolate. You're just gonna,
Squeeze it.
yep, squeeze it like this to create a beautiful design. This chocolate's still hot. Okay. Just, you can take a sweetheart and then just go ahead and put that in the middle of your design if you want. Let's do 3 because we're crazy. Ooh, I like that. Ready? So, Rayne, what is your favorite part about chocolate covered strawberries?
Covered with strawberry.
You like covering the strawberries?
Hey, sweethearts.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this with somebody, and I'll see you next time.
Got it.
Thanks, dude. You're holding up my prop. Peace.